Madam Speaker, I want to pray and request you that you ask the Minister of Finance to go and look for money, to give to Signet and UBC, only 1 billion shillings, so that Ugandans can enjoy football. Because it unites us. Everybody is happy Queens is going. We've allocated them money even in the budget. But Madam Speaker, government of Uganda, 1 billion shillings for Ugandans to watch television.
So our broadcasters, the national broadcasters, are desperate to permit Ugandans to watch their children. You know, we have been here saying, please do well, you must go to the finals. Now they are there. Now the Bachiga in Bunyonyi will not be able to watch.
So we would encourage the Minister of Education and the Minister of Information to put in the request, and then we work on it urgently, rather than UBC moving around in members of parliament bothering. Yes, it's sports, Minister of Sports. Thank you.
Business belongs in the office of the Minister for ICT, so the Minister is directed to immediately put a requisition so that the Minister of Finance can facilitate. This is not much money, Vanangi. It's not.